Hello, Dodge Journey owners. Have you ever had that pesky oil change light staring at you, and you weren't quite sure how to reset it? Well, fear not. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to reset the oil change light on the 2009 to 2020 Dodge Journey so you can keep your car running smoothly. So without further ado, let's just get straight into it. Step 1. Turn the key to the on position without starting the engine, or press the start button twice without pressing the brake pedal. Step 2. Now, here's the trick. Press the accelerator pedal 3 times slowly within 10 seconds and you're done. So that's how you do it. To ensure that the oil change light has been properly reset, turn off the ignition and then start your car. If it is not reset, you can repeat it. I hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching and see you next time.